GRI Yesterday, Today and Tomorrow. Tribal Languages and Culture Workshop. Dr. O. Muthia, Senior Professor of the Tamil Department and Director of the Tribal Languages and Cultural Research Center at GRI, participated in a workshop titled Anthropology and Museums, held from February 6 to 8, 2026. The event was hosted by the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, National Museum of Mankind, in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Mathematics Department Achievement. Students from the GRI Mathematics Department secured the top position in an intercollegiate competition held at Bharatidasan University, Trichy, winning the overall championship trophy. Free Eye Care Camp. The Department of Lifelong Learning and Extension, in collaboration with the Dhana Foundation, organized a free eye treatment camp in the Kannimnuthu area. The camp was inaugurated by the Vice-Chancellor, Dr. N. Panchnatham. The arrangements were led by Professor Dr. Venkat Ravi. Research Methodology Training. A short-term training camp on research methodology and statistics was conducted by the UGC Malviya Mission Teacher Training Center, MMTTC, at GRI. Professor Dr. K. Raja Memorial Lecture. The Tamil Department, in association with the Tamil Mutram organization, held the Professor K. Raja Endowment Lecture on 4th February 2026. Professor Mapa Srinivasan, former head of the Tamil Department at Raja Doresingam Government Arts College, Sivgangai, delivered the special address. Science Festival Success. Students from the GRI Cultural Center participated in a science festival at MSP School, Dindigul, and won a cash prize of 2,000 rupees. Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham congratulated the winners. International Conference on AI and Data Science. The Department of Computer Science and Applications, in collaboration with INTI International University, Malaysia, organized an international conference on artificial intelligence and data science from February 9 to 11, 2026. Per Award in Cooperation. Kripasri, a PhD scholar from the Department of Cooperation, received the Best Paper Award at a national seminar hosted by the Ramchandra Institute of Higher Education, Chennai. Major win at Science Exhibition. GRI students across various departments won the first prize of 35,000 rupees in the college category at the Science Exhibition held at MSP School. The Vice-Chancellor personally congratulated the students and faculty involved. International Conference on Biological Sciences. On 4th February 2026, the Department of Biology hosted an international conference on Emerging Trends in Biological Sciences and Biotechnology. The event featured Dr. M. Krishnan, Vice-Chancellor of the Central University of Tamil Nadu, as the chief guest. Senior Professor Dr. N. M. Rajan was honored during the event. National Geospatial Awards 2024. The Center for Geoinformatics at GRI hosted the National Geospatial Awards. Senior scientist Mohammad Qasim Khan from IIT Bombay attended and presented GRI with the Emerging University National Award. The award was received by Vice-Chancellor Dr. N. Panchnatham. News Coordination Senior Professor O. Muthia, Director of University Concept Center, Newsreader Satish Kumar Department of Physics, Sound Mixer Venkatesh Department of Lifelong Learning. English version of GRI News video created through AI-generated voice and translation by the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Data Science GRI. Do you want your department's activities to be included in this? Kindly contact our Center for Public Image Building. Upload the events on WhatsApp. Thank you.